part 2 of rearranging my workshop. I removed a lot of stuff, including some benches where I had this bad boy. So now I'm going to make a workshop trolley to store them on. I got some detailed plans here. I'm gonna build it from 2x6s because I got some laying around. Okay, so the frame on the rolling bench is done, but now I have to clean up this side of the shop. I will remove all the shelving, put the bench over there, and that bench into that corner. Okay, cool. Looks a bit shoddy. Not so sure about this one. Kinda works. No, I'll make a new one. sturdy, and it's a bit scary to take that out. Also, this area turned out pretty nice. More room to walk around there. Yeah.